और आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं सेना की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में। उरी में जो बरामदगी हुई है और 3 आतंकवादियों का एनकाउंटर।
The attempt to destabilize peace and security here will definitely not be sustained or accepted. We are totally committed to ensure the peaceful environment which is prevailing today by taking out the terrorists of whichever hues, either through neutralizing or ensuring that he comes back into the mainstream in form of surrender or acceptance of his fault, and thereafter he's taken out of the circulation from the terrorist ranks. Yeah. There have been certain documents which have been found on their on the person, which definitely reveal that they are at least one of them is a Pakistani. We are not very sure about the balance too. That verification will be done, and thereafter we will inform you of the nationality and also in terms of which group they belong to.
Sir, how do you look at the situation in light of before after being rebels in
Okay, for us, nothing has changed. Our counter infiltration grid was strong since the start of summers. Will continue to remain same. We are alert. We are deployed with adequate forces on the fence, on the LC, and will ensure that all bids are eliminated. Okay, I will again repeat my answer. In terms of behavior, we had appreciated the possibility of this change in behavior somewhere starting in September, October, which is actually manifested on the ground. So I will not like to link it with any other geopolitical situation.
PTI.
Yeah, PTI. Please. Yeah.
देखिए, इंटरनेट को हम लोग क्यों थ्रेटन करते हैं? इसका मकसद ये होता है, आजकल टेररिस्ट उनका जो हैंडलर पाकिस्तान में उससे कांटेक्ट नहीं कर सके, और जो रिसीविंग OGW है साउथ कश्मीर में हो या नॉर्थ कश्मीर में, उससे कांटेक्ट नहीं कर सके। इसके लिए इंटरनेट थ्रेटन करना पड़ा हम लोग को, इसलिए हम रिग्रेट फील करते हैं। लेकिन करना ये प्रोफेशनली बहुत जरूरत था सिक्योरिटी हिसाब से।
As regards the operation, on 18th night, there was a attempt to infiltrate. As per our understanding of the situation, there were 6 terrorists. 4 were on their side of LC. 2 were able to come across the fence, and that is the time our party had reached. There was a very brief exchange of fire. The terrain is quite rugged, very high grass cover is there, and very, very dense jungle. So in that brief firefight, it is presumed that the balance 2 went back across the LC, yet to ensure and verify that nobody is on this side of the LC. There was an intense jungle search which was carried out over a period of 3 days. As of now, our operation has ceased. There is no operation which is ongoing. It has been verified.
तो सेना की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस। जम्मू कश्मीर के उरी में एनकाउंटर, 3 आतंकवादियों को मार गिराया गया सेना के द्वारा, जिसमें से एक जो है वो पाकिस्तानी है। 2 की आइडेंटिटी अभी नहीं पता चली है। जैसे ही पता चलेगी सेना इत्तला देगी।
ABP न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।